Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. In this video, we will learn about the comparison of adjectives. In the previous two videos, we have discussed about the adjective and its kinds. So now we shall learn about the comparison of adjectives. Look at the examples. Here we have three examples. I am taller. I am a tall man. In the second sentence, I am taller than Ali, and number third, I am the tallest in the class. So here in the first, second, and third, the same adjective is underlined: tall, taller, and the tallest. But in each of the sentence, it is changing its form from one sentence to another sentence. So what is the logic behind it? When adjectives change in the form, like tall to taller and to taller to tallest, to show comparison. Okay, it is when adjective change in form to show comparison, they are called the three degrees of adjectives. How many degrees of comparison? Three degrees of comparison. And now, what are those three degrees of comparison? The adjective tall is said to be in the positive degree, and number second, I am taller than Ali. So, taller, the adjective taller is said to be in the comparative degree. In the comparative degree, and in the third sentence, I am the tallest in the class. So the adjective tallest is said to be in superlative degree. Next, use of degrees. Where do we use the positive degree and comparative and superlative degree? So we will discuss one by one. First of all, positive degree is used when no comparison is made. Okay, this is the first statement about the positive degree, and it is used to denote the mere existence of something of what we speak about. Okay, first thing to be remembered, that positive degree is used in general sense and when there is no need of comparison, and it is only to denote or to show the mere existence of some quality of a noun or pronoun. Secondly, we have comparative degree. Comparative degree is used when two things or sets of things are compared. It is a higher degree of the quality than the positive degree. Okay, so comparative degree is used when two things, okay, two things when compared with each other, two things or two nouns are compared with each other. So the comparative degree is used, and it shows a higher degree than positive degree. Thirdly, we have superlative degree. Superlative degree is used when more than two things or sets of things are compared. When more than two things, keep remember, and it denotes the highest degree of quality. Okay, when superlative degree is used, so it shows what? It shows the highest degree of quality of a noun or pronoun. Okay, so dear guys, this was today's short video about the comparison of adjectives and their names, degrees of adjective. So take care. Allah Hafiz.